There's a certain kind of beauty that doesn't just catch the eye, but settles gently into the heart. It's the kind of beauty that reminds you of slow mornings, warm smiles, and the quiet elegance of handmade things. And that is exactly how Amina felt the first time she held her grandmother's crocheted bag. She was only 12 then, too young to understand fashion, but old enough to recognize love when she saw it. Her grandmother had called her over one rainy afternoon, placed a sky blue crocheted bag in her hands, and said with a gentle smile, "Every stitch knows your name." At that moment, Amina didn't fully understand the meaning, but she understood the feeling. That bag became her little treasure. She carried it everywhere, even long before she had anything important to put inside. And as she grew older, she began to understand why her grandmother chose crochet. It wasn't just an item, it was art, patience, care, and story woven together. Today, that same spirit lives on in the world of beautiful and attractive crocheted handmade items. They are not just accessories, they are expressions. Soft, colorful, meaningful, and deeply personal. And for women who love elegance with heart, handmade crochet pieces stand out like poetry in a world full of rushed, factory-made things. Let's enter that colorful world together, filled with creativity, charm, and the irresistible beauty of handmade crocheted items. Crocheted handmade items have evolved far beyond what they used to be. Today, they are stylish, modern, and irresistibly attractive. From bags and hats to table decor, throw blankets, footwear, jewelry, and even creative wall hangings. Every item carries a special charm that machine-made pieces can never imitate. One of the most beautiful things about crochet is the texture. There's this softness under your fingers, this gentle stretch, this warmth that comes from knowing someone spent time, real time, crafting each stitch with intention. Whether it's a bag decorated with floral patterns, a lightweight summer shawl, or a beautiful crochet top designed to elevate a simple outfit, each piece feels alive. No two are ever perfectly identical, and that uniqueness is what makes them stand out. Let's begin with one of the most loved and most useful crocheted items, crocheted bags. Crocheted bags are more than accessories. They are statements. They transform simple outfits into effortless fashion moments. A plain dress suddenly looks elevated when paired with a colorful crocheted shoulder bag. A casual jeans and top combo becomes stylish instantly with a crochet tote. Even workwear adds a soft, feminine balance when matched with a neatly structured crochet handbag. The beauty of a crocheted bag lies not only in its patterns, but in its personality. They come in bold colors for those who love to turn heads, soft neutrals for the calm and elegant, and multicolored designs for the cheerful spirit who wants to bring joy into every room she walks into. And the usefulness of a crocheted bag is one of its hidden superpowers. Many people think crochet is delicate, but in reality, a well-made crocheted bag is surprisingly strong. Whether you're carrying your everyday essentials, makeup, wallet, phone, keys, or even small books, a good crocheted bag holds them all without losing shape. Some styles are reinforced with lining to make them even sturdier, while others have wooden or metallic handles for a classy finish. A crocheted bag also adapts easily to different occasions. For casual outings, a slouchy crocheted shoulder bag works beautifully. For beach days, nothing beats a breathable, airy crocheted tote that complements swimwear perfectly. For weddings or elegant gatherings, a small, pearl-embedded crocheted clutch adds gentle sophistication. And for daily life, errands, work, or brunch dates, structured crocheted handbags bring a perfect blend of charm and practicality. But how do you know a good crocheted bag when you see one? There are several signs. First, the stitches tell the truth. A good crocheted bag has tight, consistent stitches. They shouldn't look loose or uneven. They should form a clean, uniform pattern that holds its shape. Second, the yarn matters. High-quality cotton, premium acrylic, or blended yarns give a bag durability and smooth texture. They don't fuzz quickly, and they maintain color vibrancy for a long time. When you touch the bag, it should feel firm enough to hold weight, yet soft enough to be comfortable. Third, check the inner structure. Many high-quality crocheted bags have a lining inside. The lining keeps the bag from stretching too much and protects the stitches from friction caused by daily items. If the bag has zippers, buttons, or wooden handles, these should be neatly attached and secure. And fourth, observe the finishing. Good crochet work always finishes neatly. You won't see yarn ends sticking out or uneven edges. Everything looks clean, smooth, and intentional. And finally, style and creativity. Beautiful crocheted bags usually come in unique shapes: round, square, oval, bucket style, box-shaped, or flower-inspired. Their colors and designs should feel charming, not dull or rushed. But beyond bags, the world of crocheted handmade items expands beautifully. Crocheted table decor adds softness and vintage charm to dining rooms. A crocheted table runner can make even the simplest table look inviting. Coasters, plant pot covers, and doily sets add grace to side tables, coffee tables, and even office desks. Crocheted wearables like hats, tops, cardigans, scarves, and summer cover-ups are among the most attractive items too. They give women the chance to express femininity in a gentle, artistic way. A lacy crocheted top paired with jeans looks effortlessly stylish. A bright crocheted bucket hat adds playful edge to any outing. And a simple crocheted cardigan draped over the shoulders can transform a plain outfit into a chic ensemble. For home decor lovers, crocheted blankets and throw pillows bring warmth into a room. Their patterns, granny squares, ripples, floral motifs, or geometric blocks add personality to couches and beds. They make homes feel lived in, loved, and beautiful. And another favorite item in many homes is the crocheted foot mat or rug. These mats are soft, long-lasting, and available in countless patterns. They bring warmth to the feet and beauty to the space. Then there are the smaller items, those little treasures that complete a woman's personal style. Crocheted earrings made with lightweight yarn are bold yet comfortable. Crocheted bracelets are charming and youthful. And small crocheted pouches for lip gloss, coins, or keys add sweet touches to everyday routines. But just like any handmade art, caring for crochet is important. Caring for crocheted bags and crocheted items in general keeps them beautiful for years. The first step is gentle washing. Hand washing with mild soap is the safest method. Avoid harsh detergents that can weaken yarn fibers. Simply soak, gently rub the areas that need cleaning, rinse, and press out water softly. Do not wring or twist the item. Next, drying is essential. Always air dry crochet flat on a clean towel. Hanging a crochet bag while wet can stretch it out of shape. Allow it to dry naturally under shade. Direct sun can fade the colors. For bags with lining or structured shapes, avoid soaking entirely. Instead, wipe the interior and exterior with a damp cloth. If the handles are wooden or metallic, keep them dry to maintain their shine. Storage is equally important. Keep crocheted items in a cool, dry place. Do not stuff them tightly into bags or drawers. They need breathing space. If you love keeping them scented, place a small sachet of lavender or mild perfume nearby, not touching the yarn directly. When maintained properly, a crocheted bag can last for many years, and its beauty only gets better with time. Like fine lace or handmade jewelry, crochet becomes more meaningful the longer you own it. And that brings us back to Amina and our grandmother's bag. Years later, Amina still has that blue crocheted bag. It sits safely in her wardrobe, but she brings it out from time to time, sometimes to carry, sometimes just to hold.